Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to close STC Bank account permanently. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the STC Bank app and tap settings. Now from here, just launch the STC Bank app, log in with your PIN or Face ID, and tap the gear settings icon in the top right of the dashboard. Next step is tap Close Account in the settings. So scroll inside settings to the Account Services section and tap the red, which is the Close Account option in here. Next step is pick a reason and add Transfer IBAN. So choose a reason like switching banks, then after the IBAN where any remaining balance should be transferred. Next is accept terms and confirm with OTP. So tick the terms checkboxes, enter the 6-digit OTP, send to your phone, and then tap on the red confirm closure button to confirm. Lastly is download your closure certificate, and then a green account closed successfully screen appears. So you just have to tap on that and download closure certificate PDF and save it for your records. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!